Welcome to the installation of your natural gas service line. We at Eversource are here to take you through the three-phase process from start to finish. It begins when you've signed your gas application and submitted your refundable deposit or contribution. A gas fulfillment representative will contact you. This representative will guide you through the complete process. Eversource will come out to your location to pre-mark the roadway in front of your home and site the meter location based upon company standards and state regulatory guidelines. Eversource will prep the street and your property for installation. Please inform the crew of any underground facilities that may be in the path of our construction, such as sprinklers, septic systems, dog fences, private electric lines, etc. If any flags are placed on your property during this time, please do not remove them. You will be given a set of documents that explain the next steps. One of these, our meter requirement document, you should give to your HVAC installer. If you are not home during our field visit, we will leave these documents in a door hanger. Once we receive your permit from the state or municipality, we inform you of your scheduled installation through the method you prefer. You do not need to be home during your installation. All of the work will be completed on the outside of your home. Our crew arrives with the proper tools and equipment based on the needs of your property. We neatly expose the area of the street and portions of your property in which the line will be laid. All installations are done with a backhoe. When possible, we use a technique that enables us to install your gas line with minimal service disruption. This can only be determined by the crew performing the installation that day. Crews install gas service per Eversource standards that meet state and federal guidelines. After the gas line is installed, Eversource will remove any excavated material and the work area will be raked. We temporarily repave the roadway and patch the sidewalk and other work areas the same day. At a later date, we will return to replace the asphalt and sidewalks with concrete. Within 1 month of your gas service line installation, Eversource will send a landscaping crew back to your property to provide a one-time application of loam and seed, which you will need to water and care for. For installations between October 31st and March 31st, we will return in the spring to apply loam and seed. Once the new natural gas line is in place, please complete the steps detailed on your meter requirement document. These need to be done before Eversource can return to install the meter. When completed, you can reach out to your gas fulfillment representative to schedule your meter appointment. After the meter has been installed, the process is complete, and your deposit or contribution will be returned in accordance with the sales agreement. Please help us continually improve this process by answering the brief survey you'll receive about your installation. Thank you for being an Eversource customer.